Hi there everyone, and welcome to our video today. So for the video we'll get on today, which we will actually want learn am now how e be say we fit create a Laravel project. So for this video, I dey assume say any dependency we will go need am, I no go cover am for this video. I assume say everybody already know the dependency, whether you dey use na which editor, whether you dey use how you dey install composer and so on. Any dependency, I assume say everybody already know am. So we just go straight to the main objective of the video, wey na for create a Laravel project. So what you get for do na say I just go straight away, I create a folder. Okay, I call and say project 1. Project 1. Okay, now inside the folder na there I want make my Laravel file dey be installed. The file is the one I need for my Laravel project, sorry. The file I need for the Laravel project, I want maybe installed inside it. So for me, I use Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code na the IDE or the editor wey me I use am for say make I actually do it, create my project then. So I will go straight away, open that folder where I don't create am inside my Visual for inside my workspace, open up my Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, now in that. So as I don't open them, I go now for view. Okay, I look for terminal. Just take here trust. Okay, I look for terminal. Yes, I come now for the okay. So what I want to do now, I say I want say it so make my Laravel files and be created. If you see that my project 1 that I want me be created inside this project 1. So what I go do now, say I go type the command composer create dash project, okay, Laravel / Laravel, okay, dot. Okay, I just put dot here. Right. So what the command go do now, say the command will actively do it in. It will actively go in, okay, and then it tell our composer say make a new Laravel project using the official Laravel template, and make it put the project files inside the place where would the one work, and that place would one work now inside that project 1. Now I will explain the components for each of these, the pattern for each of these command just in a while, so just stay tuned. Now more press now enter. Yes. So depending on the PHP version where you get them, where you don't install them for your machine or for your device, which way then I say composer will go find that Laravel version where it match that device. It match the one we get them for your device. For example, for my own, you don't go find it install a Laravel 8.12 because the latest version Laravel 10 it require na PHP 8.1, which means I'm not getting 8.1 for my machine. So the thing will go ahead now download all the dependencies that we will need them, put them all inside that our project folder. Yes, now in that as you see them. Depending on your internet connection, which we didn't say if you download them faster or if it takes some time, but you just need to be patient. So more just wait as the thing they install. If you look at already at the files and that, you don't really see the Laravel files and now, but it already be installed. And that did go. So once it go finish be installed, it will give you an alert message say it don't really be installed for the command line. Okay, now in that you see when you see application key set successfully, you see all this one them it shows say this so a Laravel project it don't be successfully installed. Now remember, for the beginning, I be telling us I will explain each and every component. Okay, each and every component for that composer command where it create we now the project. So okay, we'll go back for that composer command. Ma explain each and every component. Remember, the command be the composer create project Laravel /Laravel then dot. Now I'm gonna go for each and every component. Now that composer when I be there for front, it means say na a tool where PHP the user, and I the user will manage all libraries and packages and way our project need them. You don't need to know all the one and now, just for a start. The next thing now create project. That create project na command wey composer dey use am for build a new project for one way e dey already exist. Okay. So for this case, the new project we wan build am for one way dey already exist na Laravel project. Then that Laravel /Laravel, this one dey talk say na package wey go serve as the model for our new project. So na the correct package wey we get am all for Laravel, wey na be the important files and the directory of the structure for our Laravel project. Yeah. Next, that dot wey dey for that dot for that end for that command, we will put am for the okay. It means say put the project for the current folder we will the one work inside, and that current folder we want work inside now that folder will be open now for our Visual Studio Code editor. Okay. So that is all. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your first Laravel project. Now how if you run a Laravel project we will already install them? You just stay tuned for the next video. Okay. Thank you and see you as we continue with the other Laravel series. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.